Hi, in front of me is ASUS ZenFone 10 and today I would like to show you how you can check a password added to Google Passwords Manager. You need to start by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Now just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to check, in my case my Google Drive one, and enter your current login method. Lastly, to make your password visible, tap on this eye next to it. So when I do that, as you can see, now I can check my password. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!